Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here today and thanks for stopping by. I have a project share for you today. I am participating in doll play with MLK, and it's doll play with Memory Lane Keepsakes. You find a doll or an image of a doll or something that you have, and you build a project around it and you share it. So this is my doll play with MLK for the month of, let me bring you down a little bit so you can see it, for the month of March. She was a cutout, piece of ephemera, that's a doll, a ballet dancing doll that I found with Stamperia's paper. This piece of canvas is inspired by something I saw on one of the creators of Stamperia that they did. And the paper is called Passion. And it's a ballerina dancing. I used the background papers. I added the piano keys and some notes. I propped up the ballet shoes and added a letter and stuff like that on it. Added a ticket to the opera house where she possibly be performing. Here's some lace that I added to it. I propped up the doll on so she can come up a little bit off the canvas. And this is my project for the month. I'm really proud of it. I think it came out really good. Add a little shimmer, and I hope you could see the little shimmer on her dress. Add some glossy accents to the piano keys. And I just love how it comes out and how the shoes kind of sit up from the canvas with her a little bit up from the canvas, and her dress kind of with a little bit of movement to it. Tell me what let me move it up some so you can see it. Is it crooked? Yeah, there we go. Tell me what you think about it. Love the colors, how soft it is. So this is my contribution for Doll Play with MLK 2022. Hope you all like it. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, please give this video a thumbs up if you like the project that I did. Also, please give me please give me some comments down below. Also, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Thank you to all of my subscribers who stop by and share in my crafty journey here. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye now.